Kingdom Protesta MCQs Chapter 7. MCQs number 1. Which of the following statement about Kingdom Protesta is incorrect? Option 1. Their membrane have characteristics which separate them from each other kingdoms. They only include unicellular aquatic eukaryotic organisms. They do not develop from blastola or embryo. They contain ancestors from fungi, plants and animals. The correct option is option B. They only unicellular aquatic eukaryotic organisms. MCQs number 2. Who first separate bacteria from other protists as a group? Option 1. John B. Ernst Haeckel. C. Margulis and Schwartz. D. Herbert Copeland. The correct option is option D. Herbert Copeland. MCQs number 3. Which of the protozoa has a striking resemblance to collar cells in sponges? Option 1. Zooflagellates. Option B. Coenoflagellates. Option C. Trypanosoma. Option D. Trichomonas. The correct option is option B. Coenoflagellates. MCQs number 4. Do radiolarians belong to which of following protozoal group? Zooflagellate, actinopods, foraminifera, apocomplexans. The correct option is option B. Actinopods. MCQs number 5. Which of the following statement about ciliates is incorrect? Contain many unicellular organisms. Their contractile vacuole is responsible for water regulation. They are even capable of sexual reproduction. Diploid nucleus, being smaller, is responsible for cell metabolism and growth, while polyploidy nucleus function in a sexual process. The correct option is option D. This statement is about ciliates is incorrect. MCQs number 6. Limestone deposits are formed from zooflagellates, foraminiferans, actinopods, apicomplexans. The correct option is option B. Foraminiferans. MCQs number 7. Plasmodium belong to ciliates, apocomplexans, actinopods, or foraminiferans. The correct option is option B. Apicomplexans. MCQs number 8. Kingdom Protesta includes how much phyla? 27, 28, 26, 29. The correct option is option A. 27. नेक्स्ट MCQs पर जाने से पहले आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को दबा लें ताकि नेक्स्ट आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक आसानी से पहुंच सकें. MCQs number 9. Stentor is an ciliate, foraminiferans, actinopods, or apicomplexans. The correct option is option A. Ciliates. MCQs number 10. Complexly specialized flagellates living symbiotically in gut of termites are Trichomyces, Trypanosoma, Euglena, Radiolarians. The correct option is option A. Trichomonas. MCQ number 11. The definite shape to ciliate is given by pinnacle, calcium, cell wall. The correct option is option A. Pellicle. MCQs number 12. Chalk is gradually formed of dead actinopods, foraminiferans, apicomplexans, radiolarians. The correct option is option B. MCQs number 13. Of the following, which one has glassy shells? radiolarians, forams, both of these, none of these. The correct option is option A, radiolarians. MCQ number 14. Which of the following statement is incorrect about algae? Option A, their zygote, unlike plant, is protected by parental tissue. B, their classification is based on pigment composition. C, most of them have different morphological form in different stage of their life cycle. D, almost all them are aquatic. The correct option is option A. Their zygote, unlike plant, is protected by parental tissue. MCQ number 15. In which of the following pigments major energy reservoir and cell wall are like plants? Rhodophyta, chlorophyta, phaeophyta, chrysophyta. The correct option is option B, chlorophyta. MCQ number 16. Most of the photosynthesis on earth is carried out by kelps, gymnosperms, angiosperms or algae. The correct option is option D, algae. MCQ number 17. The only group of algae having no flagellated motile cells at any stage. Caryophyta, phaeophyta, pyrophyta or rhodophyta. The correct option is option A, chrysophyta. MCQ number 18. Brown algae are also known as phaeophyta, rhodophyta, pyrophyta or chrysophyta. The correct option is option A, phaeophyta. MCQ number 19. Golden algae are also known as chrysophyta, phaeophyta, pyrophyta or rhodophyta. The correct option is option A, chrysophyta. MCQ number 20. Based on molecular data, euglenids are thought to be closely related to dinoflagellates, zooflagellate, protozoans, algae. The correct option is option B, zooflagellates. MCQ number 21. All photosynthetic euglenids lose their chlorophyll when grown in dark and obtain their nutrients heterotrophically. This statement is true, false, may be true, may be false, unpredictable. The correct option is option B. It is false. MCQs number 22. Most dinoflagellates are unicellular, multicellular, both of these, zooflagellates. The correct option is option A, unicellular. MCQs number 23. The most important group of producer in the marine ecosystem is diatoms, euglenids, dinoflagellates or brown algae. The correct option is option A, diatoms. MCQs number 24. Of the following, which one is not characteristic of dinoflagellates? Most of them are unicellular. They have blooms. Their cells are often covered with shells of interlocking cellulose plate impregnant with calcium. None of these. The correct option is option C. Their cells are often covered with shell of interlocking cellulose plates impregnated with calcium. MCQs number 25. Examples of rhodophytes are Chondrus, Polysiphonia, both of these, Pinoloria. Correct option is option C, both of these. MCQ number 26. In chlorophytes, the main energy stores are cellulose, starch, glycogen, all of these. The correct option is option B, starch. MCQs number 27. Of the following about is not correct about characteristics of green algae. Some green algae possess cell wall with cellulose. They are generally accepted as ancestors of green plant. Chlorella is unicellular, non-motile green algae. None of these. The correct option is option A. Is green algae possess cell wall with their cellulose. MCQs number 28. In slime mold, spores develop into swarm cells, biflagellated cells, amoeboid reproductive cells, all of these. The correct option is option D, all of these. Spores produced by slime molds are haploid, diploid, none of these. The correct option is option A, haploid. MCQ number 30. Which of the following is responsible for Irish potato famine? Dinoflagellate, clamps, Physarum polycephalum, Photophthora infestans. The correct option is option D, Phytophthora infestans.